Just got back from New York City. I met with a prosthetist, actually fourth generation prosthetist. His great great grandfather was actually a prosthetist in the Civil War. And we had this incredible conversation on technology, the importance of the combination of technology and psychomotor skills of hands with respect to the building of a prosthesis and what goes into it. And I'm looking at another product for a socket, which is called LIM Innovations, LIM Innovations. And it's a much more dynamic socket that can get me out of wearing a gazillion socks. So I'm pretty pumped about that, and it has an interesting air bladder. Things look very, very different from what I currently have. And I'll be back in probably 2.5 weeks to pick it up in New York, and we'll go from there, and I'll demonstrate at that time. But what's been amazing for me is how these people come into your life. And it was something that I saw that I followed up on. He followed me back. We had an instant connection. We could talk technical because of being a chiropractor. And talking about the neuroscience of change. I don't know how we even got onto that, but it was absolutely amazing. So I am looking forward to connecting with this person more and letting you see what this product is all about, and moving on from there. So I've had a great day, and I hope you make yourself have a great day. If you haven't had one, it's not too late. Take care.